Okay. Okay, so the first question is, what is meant by success factor? Do you have any idea about success factor?
I think it's just like a cloud-based ERP for HR.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So, as you both are in HR department only, so what and all applications you have worked?
So applications in the sense we used to have this Naukri portal for sourcing, and
Mm-hmm.
other than we have an internal portal like Zing HR, so
Mm-hmm.
where we used to manage all the employees' details there.
Okay.
So for onboarding, for attendance, leaves, and all those things.
Yes. Okay.
And
So,
we have this SAP field glass as well for onboarding, sometimes for few projects.
so what you will do in that? Have you like any database management, or you will do some in configuration?
No. We are end users. Like we don't do configurations. We only bid to bidding, onboarding and offboarding.
Onboarding and upgrade. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first part is completely SAP SuccessFactor is a cloud-based platform, and we are not doing any coding process, and we don't need to have any code to remember to do the transaction in the SAP SuccessFactor. This application is completely functional. Only through action search you will be doing the customization of the software. Means whatever the software is available according to the client requirement, you have to understand the client. Based on the client requirement, you have to customize, means configure the system. How you have to configure? Suppose, as you said, you are using some HR system, right, to
Yeah.
download the resume or to update the resume. Maybe some for some clients you may also upload the resume in some portals, right?
Yes,
In companies account.
yes,
For
yes.
MNC companies, they have their separate logins, and in that login we have to upload the resume. So how those applications are working? They are already customized for by some consultant, some SAP consultant or some other consultant, based on the client requirement, how the client has to be, how the client is asking them to design the software. In that way, we will be designing the software according to their requirement. But while designing, we don't need to have any kind of coding language, or we don't need to understand any transactional code, how we will be in the kind of HCM. So HCM is again a software application. It's a competitor of SuccessFactor, where whenever we are implementing or configuring the system to HCM, we need to remember the transactional codes, which mean by TA codes. But when it comes to success factor, only through action search. Action search is a very important thing in success factor. Only through action search you will be going, or you will be landing on the required page. Through that required page, you will be customizing the customer's system. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it, Siddhi?
Yeah. So,
What I have to call you, Siddhi or Sri Lakshmi?
anything is fine. You can call me Siddhi. I think that's easier.
Okay, okay. So first of all, I just need to give you some basics in the history of the SAP SuccessFactor. So SuccessFactor is not a small like a application or only one module to complete. It is a big ocean. It was only one chapter in the year of 2011, but now it has different modules for different process. Complete HR life cycle, complete HR employee employer life cycle is completely carried away by the success factor through is different upgradation according to the module. So as of now, there are 9 integrated modules in SAP SuccessFactor. What are those 9 integrated modules and for what? So now When I say HR process and it is completely handling the HR process, there are different modules according to the HR requirement. First is like a recruiting, where we will be having the recruiting module. Sorry, second is like a onboarding, for onboarding module. Training, which can be called as a learning management system. Assigning the goals, we have goals management. Evaluation process, we have performance management. Compensation payroll module, and succession planning module. So these are all different modules where we can learn in a step-by-step process in the Employee Central. So you may get doubt that why we are learning only Employee Central. So Employee Central is a basic or foundation module for complete success factor. Means it can call it as a first base module for any entering into the software. Once you are 100% okay with the Employee Central module, you have put your efforts for almost 40 to 45 days, then other module will take you just 20 or half of the time to learn. Why? Because here, this is a foundation module, we can say. Whatever the configurations, whatever the route and whatever the path is there, here only you will be understanding completely. And in this module only, you will be somewhat working as a recruiting, compensation, payroll, time off, all small parts will be, you will be having some touch. According to that, you will be move forward with the module. When you are 100% confident and you are okay with this module, according to your requirement, if you want more growth in the career and all, you will add some other modules so that it will add on advantage to your resume. Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, got it.
Okay. So complete Employee Central is a module to manage the data. Data means information, which is employee information and organization information. So what kind of data it is managing? It is managing employee and employer data from hire to retire of an employee and starting to ending of the company till the company closes is corporation. It will maintain complete data from the starting day to ending day, and for employee from hiring date to retiring date. After retiring also, it will maintain the same data. So where it is like what kind of data it is maintaining? Personal data and corporate data of an employee. And for corporate, for organization, how many employees are working, what are their process, what is the projects are going on, where are they, what is the compensation, what is the next target, each and everything we will be giving to the system, and system will maintain a database. That data would be, we can call it as a from hire to retire data. So SFT is a complete ocean kind of thing, because if you learn one Employee Central, one recruitment or one onboarding also, it will definitely give you the like aspect to learn more and more modules so that you can jump into that and settle very big. So it is a complete SFT is a ocean where we have to learn, and even SFT success factor is doing some more research and adding the modules, because till 2028 we can expect like a 40 plus module from SAP SuccessFactor for different industries and different streams. So already they even now SAP SuccessFactor is a beta version only. Whatever the things are there, it is not yet settled down. Every 6 months there will be new change, new upgrades will be going for SAP SuccessFactor. So every time you have to get updated, even how what is the update and how you have to work, I'll tell you. So got it clear till now?
Yes,
Yes, Kavita.
Okay, explanation is fine, or should I go a bit slow again?
no,
It's
that's fine.
fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. So why is SFT? Even when we say this is a maintaining the database, which is a hire to retire and employee organization and employee data. So why SFT? Even we have all the other applications who is like, or else we have a traditional HR process. We will be having HR recruiter, HR payroll, admin, different people will be there to maintain. Then why SFT came into the picture? Because it increased the capability and decreased the wastage. When we say increase the capability means we can do the process when we are doing the process in traditional HR for one day. SAP SuccessFactors do the process for 10 minutes. That complete process will take just 10 minutes to complete. And when I say decrease the wastage means here, for each and every work we need to have different HR or different person in the management. But here, if you know, if one consultant or one integration know the 5 to 6 modules, he can easily sit and work in like whatever the process is for 1 month, he can just complete it for 10 days and complete only a one-time configuration process only. Every time you will be not sitting and doing, just you will be configuring the system, and system automatically generates each and every information on a timely basis. Okay.
Yeah.
So previously, what we are seeing now, this is a SuccessFactor is a cloud-based application, but previously it is a product-based application only, where we can call it as a PaaS, which is a product as a service. So now it has changed to the software as a service. So why from product to service? So whenever we have one product, we have to purchase the product, we have to take care of the services and each and everything. For now or then, we have to contact the support team and take the services, and that will be more charge than the when we are taking the service. But when we take a service, means only the service from SAP, only the cloud login we will be getting, and very less cost compared to the product, and service will be taken by the complete SAP in 24/7, 365 days. There will be a service from the SAP SuccessFactors. So it is a cloud-based technology and software as a service. We are not having any application. We are using only through the cloud logins. You will be having the user ID and password from SAP. So whatever the customers, whatever the people we are using till now, only through cloud login only we are using. So what exactly this success factor and who are the competitors for this success factor? So when we are into the market, everywhere we have to see the competitors. Without competitors, we are not successful, right? Even success factor has the competitors. Did I started the recording?
Yeah, started.
Okay. So without competitors, there is no value. Means competitors make you to think twice and make you to upgrade yourself to beat the competition coming from the opposite direction. So even SuccessFactor has competitors. Who are the competitors? Oracle, PeopleSoft, Workday, HCM, other small application, all the HR application related to the cloud or whatever, whoever doing the same process, or all the competitors for SAP SuccessFactors. The main competitor is a Workday only. Okay, so Workday is also a application where equally compete with the SAP SuccessFactor. But what happens is, even when you want to work with Oracle, PeopleSoft, Workday, or HCM, you need to have a bit of coding knowledge, and you have to understand the transactional codes and make the configuration according to the transactional code. Every time you have to revise and every time do a bit of coding into this all this application. But when we come to SAP SuccessFactor, even mostly people from HR background, they don't have that much of coding knowledge. Only through functional, means overall HR process is a functional process only. The same way through functional, only through transaction, only through action search, we can configure complete system in SuccessFactor. Apart from that, it is more easy to log in, it's more easy to understand. Got it?
Yeah.
So Employee Central is, as I told you, it is a foundation module, and it has been segregated to the two types. Okay, information divided to two types. One is a corporate data, which is a employer data, and succession data, which is a employee data. So in the success factor, the employee data, means the word employee data, we can call it as a succession data. Okay. When we say corporate data, we have company details, employee ID, payroll, medical insurance, date of joining. All this comes under the corporate data. When we say succession data, the data which is only related to the employee, only related to you, that is nothing but the succession data, which is personal information, date of birth, marriage, contact, employee ID, employee previous organization detail. You may say that employee previous organization is also corporate data, but no, the corporate data means the data which is related to only the current company. Your previous company, your previous salary, your previous ID and everything is not comes under corporate data. That will be coming under only your data in succession data. Got it, the difference?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, these are complete basics. Now we'll see what exactly the history is. So history, SAP SuccessFactors founded in the year of 2001. The person who founded the SuccessFactor is named Lars Dahlgrad. He's the person who founded this SAP SuccessFactor. So when he founded the SAP SuccessFactor, at the time it was only SuccessFactors. It was not SAP SuccessFactor. So SAP saw its feature and taken into the consideration, means SAP targeted this company, and in the year of 2011, he reached to SuccessFactor and taken complete SAP SuccessFactor into the SAP SuccessFactor. So why SAP reached to the SuccessFactor? Why not HCM? Even at that time, HCM was in boom, but why it hasn't taken? Why means in the year of 2007, SAP, only the SuccessFactor. One second, guys. Tipes Rostam, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
No, not for you. 1 minute. So why it has came the more popularity, not into the HCM. Even SAP at that time and in that year when SAP SuccessFactor was running fine, SAP has its HCM. But according to the records and all, people due to its popularity and due to its function, SAP has reached to SuccessFactor and acquired SuccessFactor in the year of 2011. Why means in the year of 2007, the company went public on NASDAQ global market. Okay. In the 2007, the company went on the NASDAQ, which is the stock. Okay. So, you know stocks, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the year of 2007, it has reached its more popularity, and it became a public company in the Nasdaq Global Market. And at that time, the symbol was SAP SF, or S only SF. So due to the popularity and due to the feasibility of the application, SAP has reached to SuccessFactor and acquired SuccessFactor in the year of 2011. So from that time, we can call it as a SAP SuccessFactors. So you have to pronounce always complete name, which is a SAP SuccessFactors. The abbreviations you can give right: SAP, SF, 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 SAP SFT. So these are the abbreviations you can use. So once you become a SuccessFactor consultant for any of the module, then it will be complete like a SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central Consultant, or time of consultant, PMGM consultant, recruitment consultant. All this name will be added into the like according to the module, whatever you are certified. Got it?
Yeah. So Kavita, SAP SF and SAP SF2 both are same, right? I mean, we can use any of those two.
Yeah, we can use the complete name we have to use is SAP SuccessFactors.
Hmm.
Okay. So abbreviations we can give like SAP SF, SFSF, SAP SFT, all these things. When you are done with the certification and you are going into the market, the complete word will be like SAP SuccessFactor Employee Central Consultant, or onboarding, time off, all different consultants will be added into the profile.
Okay.
Okay. So meeting is going to end. Immediately join from the same link.
Okay.
Let me open the PPT for some another explanation.
Kavita, we have to log out and then we have to log in, relog in.
No,
right?
it is not yet ended, right? Once it got ended, at that time, join the same link again.
Oh, okay. So 8 minutes left.
Still 8 minutes is there. So you are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So SuccessFactors, which is a system, application, and products in data processing. We can the complete name we can call it as a SAP SuccessFactors, and the full form of SAP is System Application and Products in Data Processing. So don't pronounce like SAP or something. You have to always pronounce as a SAP, and the full form would be System Application and Products in Data Processing. So as I told you that there we before SuccessFactor, we have a HCM, which is a human capital management. But due to the SuccessFactor feasibility and easy way of understanding and cloud-based software, people have moved from SAP HCM to the SuccessFactor. Even HCM plays a very good role in the payroll. Till now, SAP HCM has a different versions in the payroll process, and it is successfully running. But when it comes to the functional and when it comes to the data management and everything, all some other companies means compare with HCM, we are using SuccessFactor because of its easy feasibility and cloud-based version. So what are the companies you can target once you have once you are done with the opportunity, once you are done with the courses and all? The most companies we are who are using the SAP success factors are like TCM, IBM, Accenture India, HCL Technologies, NIIT, Hewlett Packard, ITC Infotech, Mindtree Consulting. Apart from this one, there are almost 400 companies who are using SAP success factors, different modules. I'll give you the list of the company where you can apply the opportunities after the courses.
Oh,
So this is a ERP software, SAP SuccessFactor. We can call it as a ERP software. ERP in the sense enterprise resource planning. So when we say enterprise resource planning, it is completely a database or a functional module where we can use in different industries. So where we can use mostly, we can use in finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain services, procurement, and other the CRM and different streams and different organization. So not only this one, even across the like whatever the process we are going into the market, each and every process is using ERP softwares only to easy the process, to maintain the time and to get do the work on time and deliver the things on time. So it has become very feasibility and very easy to organization as well, to generate the things and to avoid the any errors or something in the future.
okay.
So what exactly the success factor? We have different modules. What we I told you, right? There are 9 different modules, integrated modules we can say. So integrated module means already running in the market. So what are the modules? Talent management, recruiting, development, learning, performance management, compensation, employee central. So all of this integrated modules which are with SAP success factors right now. In future, there are so many applications, so many modules will be added for success factors.
Mhm.
So what exactly the success factor and how it is classified? So now we can see here only categorized into 4 different categories, but no, this has been categorized into 9 different categories with the 9 different modules. So as now till 2000, this is the data for 2021, but now it has 9 different modules and it has segregated into 9 versions. So at the time only is employee central, recruitment, HR analytics, which is a reportings and workforce analytics, performance and goal management, which is a performance goal management module. So what are this? These are all modules only where we can see in the employee central success factor according to current data. So what are the modules? There are goals management, performance management, workforce, recruiting, compensation, learning, succession, JAM, which is a new module, and workforce analytics. So these are the modules and where we can use and how it is working. So it will be using for strategic insight in financials, in supply chain management, in operations, employee surveys, and CRM, which is a customer relationship management. You no need to by heart or learn all this thing by for this is the initial introduction part. So I am just giving the brief about what exactly and what we are going to do that. You are getting?
Yeah, yeah, correct. Kavita, I have a query. Like SAP HCM and SF, were there any differences apart from on-premise and cloud? Any other difference are there in terms of modules
Uh,
or HR
Modules
function?
functions are like I never worked in the HCM or something, but according to the study, functions are same, but only the difference is whenever we are working on SAP HCM, you need to know the transactional code, which can be called as a TA codes. Okay,
Mm.
whatever you want, whatever the customization you want to do in the system, you have to know their transactional codes, and then only you will be entering into the path for configuration. Okay,
Okay.
but in SuccessFactor, you suppose you want to add one employee. If you give add employee also, your transaction will become. If you want to add some time of something, so directly you can go to the time off. If you want to do one workflow, if you give that workflow in the action search, directly you will be landed upon the page. Only the functional means functionality has been changed. The how we are entering into the system and how much easy it is the comparison is how much easy it is and how we have to configure the system. Okay, anyway, HCM gives the best feature of payroll process according to the SAP SuccessFactor.
Okay.
So the key features we already learned what from the starting, all the key features what we have taught you, or the basics, or how according to the feasibility, the easy way of understanding. All these are key features of SAP SuccessFactors. The history we already done. The history, the important part I have to tell you is what are the customers when it became so much of popularity. Till December 2013, there are 600 customers with 11.5 million users. But now, according to the 2021 data, there are 100 million users for there. More than 100 million users are there for SAP SuccessFactor across the globe. Okay. And the complete SuccessFactor, we will be working with the SAP S4 HANA database.